Good day, sir. Francis Adam Fuentes. Classmates, I am Cris from BS8 Mathematics 2B. And in this video, I will be showing to you the solution of my assigned problem, which is the find the first and second derivative of the following fx is equal to 1 over x cubed. To find the first and second derivative of the following fx is equal to 1 over x cubed, we need to find first the first derivative. First is we need to rewrite 1 over x cubed as 3 cubed to negative 1. Then d over dx x to the power of 3 negative 1. Then multiply the exponent in x cubed into x cubed negative 1. Apply the power rule and multiply exponent. Am n is equal to Amn. d over dx x3 minus 1. Then multiply 3 by negative 1. So dx is equal to 3 negative. Then differentiate using the power rule, which states that d over dx x to the power of n is nx n minus 1, where n is equal to negative 3. Rewrite the expression using the negative exponent rule. b negative n is equal to 1 over bn. So 3 over 1 is equal to over x4. Then move the negative in front of the fraction. So instead of negative 3, 1 over x4, it should be written as negative of 3 over x4. So our first derivative of the following fx is equal to 1 over x cubed is negative of 3 over x4. So after finding the first derivative, we now derive into second derivative. Since negative 3 is constant with respect to x, the derivative of negative of 3 over x4 with respect to x is negative 3. d over dx is equal to 1 over x4. Is equal to negative 3 d over dx or 1 over x4. Apply the basic rules of exponent. Again, we write 1 over x4 as x4 to negative 1. 1x4 as x4 times negative 1. Fx is equal to negative 3 d over dx x4 times negative 1. Multiply the exponent in x4 to negative 1. x4 times negative 1. Again, apply the power rule and multiply exponent. N is equal to n. If x is equal to negative 3 d over dx x for negative 1. Then multiply 4 by negative 1. Fx is equal to negative 3 is equal to d over dx x negative 4. Then differentiate using the power rule, which state that d over dx is xn is nx to negative n minus 1, where n is negative 4. d over dx xn is nx n minus 1, where our n is negative 4. Fx is equal to negative 3 times negative 4x minus 5. So multiply negative 4 by negative 3. So our Fx is equal to 12x. So rewrite the expression using the negative exponent rule. B negative n is equal to 1 over bn. Fx is equal to 12 1 over x 5. Then combine 12 and 1 over x to the power of 5. So our Fx is equal to 12 over x 5. So our second derivative of Fx with respect to x is 12 over x 5. So this is now our second derivatives of the following. Fx is equal to 1 over x cubed. Therefore, to find the first and second derivative of the following, Fx is equal to 1 over x cubed is we need to find first the negative of 3 over x4, which is the first derivatives, and derive it to find the 12 over x5, which is our second derivative. Thank you, sir, classmates. By the way, I am Cris Butanas from BS Ed Mathematics 2B. Thank you for listening, everyone.